Yeah. They out here. They out here. It's round 2. Y'all see the sun going down. Round 2. They out here. What's up, family? Yeah. They done started pulling motherfuckers out. They coming out. Oh, swerve. Cocked him hard. Yeah. Oh, look, it's my dog. Hey, man, them boys ain't playing, man. That boy right there, man, he goes stupid on them infinities every time, man. It's round 2. TSU homecoming still active, man. Yeah. Oh, foreign too. Foreigns too. You see the F's on the, you see the fuckets on the rim. Yeah, man. Every year TSU homecoming, man. If you ain't never had to experience homecoming TSU style, that's how it go down, man.